Hi, I'm Dr. Christina. I'm a house call veterinarian, but today we're on the road helping people with their pet hair problems. We're at Bracy's house, and we're gonna see Luther. He's an award-winning Bernese Mountain Dog. Look, there he is. And he's huge.
Oh, let's see who's here. Stay. Why, it's Dr. Christina.
Hi, Bracy. How is Luther doing today?
He was at the Waukesha, Wisconsin dog show, and he took best of breed.
Tell me about the fur.
They're a two-coated breed. It's very important to remove that undercoat on a timely fashion or they can develop skin issues. They do shed their coat a lot.
I see Luther's bed. Is
Yes.
this a pretty typical look?
Yes, that's a pretty typical look with this breed. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Well, we should definitely take this back with us. Look at all that beautiful fur, Luther. Well, I'm really excited to see what Speed Queen can do with this because there is a lot of fur on these blankies. Hey, Kevin.
Hi, Dr. Christina. What have we got?
This is laundry that is from an award-winning Bernese Mountain Dog named Luther.
We have a special pet hair remover cycle. We're going to actually dry it first, then wash it, and then go back and dry it.
This is like ridiculous.
That is bad.
Let's see.
All right.
Okay, so it just finished up, Kevin.
And see how much hair came off.
Whoa! There is a lot of hair.
There is a lot of hair there.
That's pretty amazing. So that's not going to be in the wash.
Let's put it into the washer here and I will get it ready. I am going to do a heavy duty cycle. We're gonna put it into the dryer now, do a complete cycle, and see how much more we can get off of it. Let's open it up and let's see what it looks like.
Oh my goodness. I think we have a small dog in here.
Definitely see that there is a lot of hair that's gone.
Holy smokes, that is really a lot cleaner.
That is really amazing.
Well, I think that Bracy and Luther are going to be so happy when they see the results.
Dr. Christina.
Hey, Luther. Hey, buddy. So here is the blankie that you gave us. That was...
Oh my gosh. Oh yes, it smells wonderful. Oh my, look how clean that is. All the dog fur is off.
What do you think, Luther?
Oh, Luther. Oh, yeah, look at your clean bed. I think very much it's Luther approved. Oh,
Look at this. Oh,
He's so
Luther.
happy.
He's probably just excited to get a hairy again.
So true. Yeah, good boy.
Bracy, thanks so much for having us.
Thank you, Dr. Christina. I'm impressed. Everything is clean and smells fresh.
Bye, Bracy.
Good to see you.
Bye, Luther. Well, that was a big success. Fur-free bedding delivered.